What's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. Now, this is my full review of US Mobile cell phone service. Now, US Mobile has two different networks. They're using the Verizon network and they're also using T-Mobile. You're not getting both, but you can choose which one is best fits your needs and your wants based on coverage, speeds, and anything else in between. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about. Also in this review, we're going to talk about the coverage. We're going to talk about the internet speeds, the quality of the cell phone service itself, and the different pricings and all that stuff. So let's go ahead and get into it. So shout outs to US Mobile for even actually reaching out to me on Twitter. I believe they see me post something about them, and a lot of other people that's following me on Twitter tag me and tag them, and then we got contact in the DM. So they did give me a 30 days offer for free, but I'm here to tell you all this. If you get a starter kit from them, you can actually go to the website right now. I'll put a link in the description box. Go to usmobile.com right now, and you can get a free SIM kit yourself. So you can try out the service for free, just like I did. You don't have to be a YouTuber. You could just be somebody that wanted to test out the service and see, like, well, hey, I wanted to see what this guy was actually talking about. Now, based on this review or anything else you might hear from him, and you do want the service and you actually want to spend money on them, I will leave my promo code and link in the description box as well, and you can save $10 off. I'm not really into the savings for this service, but I'm just here to give you guys my initial thoughts. So for using this for roughly 3 weeks now, because technically I got 1 week left and then the whole free trial is over with, I did the unlimited talking text. Now they do have plans where you don't have to get unlimited talking text, because let's just be realistic and honest in 2020. How many text messages do anybody use personally on an average normal consumer level? Do you use 500 text messages? Do you use 1,000? Do you use 3,000? Let's just be honest. So I do like the concept they set up, and I will show you the application in just a moment, how you can set the service all up. But they have a phone plan as low as $4 a month. $4 a month will give you your phone number, talking text, and of course, if you got Wi-Fi is free. But let's just put that in perspective versus all these other companies that's always promoting unlimited talking text plus data. All right, let's just throw that out the window. Talking text should be for free, and the only people that are doing that are other companies. I'm not going to mention them in this video, but you all know who they are. So let's just throw talking text out the window. But if you need it, they have their great customizations of unlimited talking text or talking text plans. And then the gigabytes, I have 3 gigs on my plan, so I used it all up. After you use up all your data, there's no 2G. So that's it. You're stuck with Wi-Fi, you gotta wait to the next cycle, or you can add on data. So I kind of like those options too, to the fact that you can buy more data versus, suffering or searching for Wi-Fi all the time. So keep that in mind when you go into the website, looking at US Mobile. But like I said, you can try them out for free. All right, so let's get that out the way. Now, I did use the T-Mobile network. I'm on the GSM T-Mobile network with US Mobile. The process of setting this all up, they give you 2 separate SIM cards. The white one is for T-Mobile, and then the dark one is for Verizon. And when you get the SIM kit, there's really 2 steps. You take the SIM card, and then they show you something on the back. So they show you how to take you got to get the SIM ejector. I took it away, but you get the SIM ejector, you inject the SIM card tray, you pop in one of these to see which one of your phones is compatible. Now, most of my phones are fully unlocked, meaning I can use any network I want to. But if yours is not, yours probably glued to Verizon, glued to T-Mobile, because this is all we're going to talk about right now in this video. So check your phone, make sure it's compatible with T-Mobile, Verizon, and then once that's all said and done, then it will like connect once you put the IMEI number, all that technical stuff. If you don't know how to do that, they do have a 1-800 number, which you can call and you will talk to real people. I've called the number myself. I've talked to real people, other than contacting people via Facebook or Twitter or some other messenger chat app. And they do have a live chat on their website. So you have plenty of ways to contact US Mobile customer care, which is another big plus. And I'm glad they got that figured out. I'm glad it's fixed compared to my last time using them. So I'm on the T-Mobile network with this company, the service. And based on coverage, I think I'm getting the same amount of coverage as I would get versus me using the regular T-Mobile network or using Google Fi or using Mint Mobile or some other service I've used with T-Mobile. It looks like I'm getting the same type of coverage. The speeds in my area may vary versus the speeds in your area. And then it's based on device. So the device of choice I use to test this run out is the new Mobile G3 Plus, which gives you voice over LTE, all that stuff that some people really care about, and HD voice for calls, which works. It works. So if that's what something you're into, look into a device that's compatible with voice over LTE and HD voice. I've had it on the new Mobile G3 Plus, and it worked with US Mobile and the T-Mobile network. So the call quality was good. It was good, okay? No problems with that. Texting was good. I'm getting the Android messages. I'm getting RCS. Worked good. So the data speeds, like I said, it varies per device and coverage and location. So my coverage, my device, it might be different from yours. Like I said, I was using it on the new Mobile G3 Plus. I was averaging roughly 35 megs down and about 5 to 6 up. It depends on how good is that to you versus what you got now. You know, I mean, other Google Fi and stuff, I think I was averaging roughly around the same. And it was using the T-Mobile network. So it depends on how you use your device, what you're using your device for. Now, like I said, once I ran out 3 gigs, that was it. I don't have 2G. You're dependent on Wi-Fi, or you're dependent on to buy some more data. But there are other like tips and tricks I can tell you about. I did test out Samsung Max VPN, which compresses the data and saves you data. So if you're a person that's data consumption, or you're data conscious. You're data conscious meaning you're conservative. You're trying to save the data for the rest of the month. I would recommend sideloading the Samsung Max VPN onto your Android device. Now, I can't speak for iPhone users, other than just turning off cellular data when you don't need to use it, and you use your iMessage for communication. But with Android, you got all these other messaging platforms and third-party apps that you can communicate with. So just some options to throw in there. Also have applications that will allow you to auto download over Wi-Fi. Apps like Castbox, Reddit offline, Opera Mini browser, which gives you news for offline whenever you're away from like Wi-Fi or cellular data. These few apps, just a few apps I'm just throwing in there to, help you get through the day. And of course, if you're doing unlimited talk and text, you still got that. So you can still call unlimited, you can still text while you're away from Wi-Fi or, you're out of data. Overall, I'm gonna just put this overall. It was a good experience, easy setup. Now let me tell you about the app, and then I'm pretty much done. So US Mobile has an application. I don't know if it shows that right there, and it's really self-explanatory. They just show you They just show you your information. They show you your phone number. They show you your username. They show you your minutes. They show you your text messages and how much data you have. Also, you can go into the app and, like I said, you can add minutes. You can add data. You can add talk and text. And they give you options. They'll let you know how many days you have left on your plan too as well, your cycle. So, I mean, the app it works. Their application works. Yeah. And then you do have a code, once again. If you want to refer family or friends, you got a referral code in the app. So you can refer friends and you can save up to $10 per credit. Your friends get the code activation, gives them 50% up to $10 in savings on their first plan. You will also be eligible for 50% off up to $10 in savings on your next bill. The maximum is 6. So you can save $60 for 6 credits for 6 people signing up, depending on that. But the 3 gigabyte plan is $25. That is unbeatable right now. In today's world where we got so much going on, $25 can take you a long way. And it could be even cheaper. Like I said, with the referral code, it could be even cheaper. You could be paying $15 for 3 gigs unlimited talk and text with the code for 6 months. So give or take your different options. I really didn't test out the mobile hotspot, but if you got an unlocked device and it's compatible with mobile hotspot, it will work anyway. So once again, guys, you got to keep this in mind. You got to keep it in mind whether or not your phone's locked to a coverage, a certain network, and whether or not you got an unlocked device that will work on the network. And like I said, US Mobile was a good experience this time in 2020. I would recommend them. They also got other plans. They got an 8 gigabyte plan. They have unlimited for $40. They also have family plans, which will add perks like Disney Plus bundle, Hulu. You got Netflix. You got Spotify. You got Pandora. You even got Xbox and PlayStation subscriptions as well with the family plans. Now, I'm only doing single plans. So, single plan, $25 a month for 3 gigs, unlimited talk and text. And then based on how you use your phone, set up your phone, it can work. It can work if you want it to work. If you make it work for yourself, it can work. So, I definitely give US Mobile 2 thumbs up in my area, my coverage, my location, the devices I'm using. It works fine for me. So, like I said, this is a personal review. This is not no promotion. I'm not no paid subscription or nothing like that. This is based on how I use the service and which devices I'm using. So yours will vary. I mean, that's with any product, any service, any device. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Did you even hear about US Mobile? Did you even think US Mobile was good? It's good. So I'll put the links in the description box. Go to their website. You can try them out for free for 14 days. And let everybody know your thoughts. All right, it's your boy 2 Phones. I'm out.